Hey y'all, I am on my way to go get my monthly massage. I signed up for a subscription to this place called the Now Massage. They have a choice between a 50-minute massage, an 80-minute massage. I typically just get the 50-minute massage. That's a form of self-care, going to get a massage, because when I go get my nails done, my hair done, and my feet done, manicure, pedicure, all of that stuff, I feel like I'm not really relaxing. So today I'm going to get a massage because your girl needs it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, just put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else face.
Hey y'all, I just made it home from getting my massage. I normally have this guy named Cam, and he does a really good job with massages. But this time I had a woman named Ariel. She was a Caucasian woman, or she might not have been Caucasian. I actually don't know her ethnicity, but she was really good today. She pretty much focused on my neck and my shoulders because she said I had a lot of tension in my shoulders. But today has been a really good day, y'all. You know, sometimes the devil will try to come and kill and destroy your positivity and your happiness in the form of like people, but you have to ignore that and continue on with your day. I wasn't going to allow anyone to get a reaction out of me because I feel good today, and I'm going to continue to feel good. I don't need no stress in my life. Don't want any stress. I'm not going to allow anyone to stress me out. So today was pretty much my self-care day where I went to get a nice massage, and I'm really happy. I'm in a really good mood today. So I'm going to figure out what else I want to do. Not sure, but yeah, that massage was off the chain. I really needed that. Today, your girl was starving, so I decided to make a simple beef short braised ribs, and it's pretty simple, pretty quick to make. All you need is some beef short braised ribs. You need salt and pepper to season it with, or whatever seasoning you may want to use. And then also you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, slice that onion up. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. You can use that. If not, you can use minced garlic. I don't have beef stock, so I'm going to use beef broth. And then 1 cup of red wine and some thyme or some rosemary and a bay leaf. So first I'm going to start off by chopping up my onions. My onions are all chopped up, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to season the braised ribs. So these are the ribs, and I'm just going to season with, I like to use Himalayan salt because it's healthier. And then I'm just going to season it with some pepper too. I'm going to use some gloves because I don't like to touch my meat with my bare hands. So put on these gloves, honey, and then rub that seasoning into my meat. I think I actually want to add some paprika too. And this is the paprika that I use. I like my food to have a little bit of coloring. So now that I have my braised rib seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can use a Dutch skillet if you want to. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just going to add the short ribs because I need to cook them until they are golden brown. The short ribs are brown, so I'm going to remove them from my cast iron skillet. These are the short ribs. They're nice and brown. Now I'm going to add the onions to the skillet. You want to cook your onions for about 5 minutes until they're caramelized. Once they're caramelized, you can add maybe about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, or I don't have minced garlic, so I am going to use garlic paste. And this is the garlic paste that I'm going to use. I added the garlic paste. I am going to cook this with the onions for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to add a cup of red wine to this. I had to move my camera back because it was overheating. I don't have beef stock, so I'm going to use beef broth. I added 3 bay leaves, and I added a cup of red wine and 2 cups of beef broth into the caramelized onions and the garlic paste. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the beef short ribs back to this. And I forgot to mention that I think I said I added rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves to this mixture. And then so what you're going to do is you're going to transfer your ribs back to the pot, and you're going to set your oven to about 325, and you're going to let them braise for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Now that those are in the oven, I am going to get started with my potatoes. I'm only cooking for myself, so I can probably have this for leftovers tomorrow. I cut up the potatoes, I set them in cold water. They're sitting in the fridge. So once the meat gets done cooking, that'll be about maybe 2.5 to 3 hours. I will then make the mashed potatoes and then show you guys. Y'all, we did it. We woke up at 7:30 and we rode all the way to Bryn Mawr and back to Grant Park, y'all. A 30-mile bike ride this morning. Ah, how you feel?
I feel good. Good workout.
Right? I feel accomplished. Our next stop is Hyde Park because it's this Hyde Park Farmers Market that we went to visit and buy some things from. So it's like a lot of black-owned businesses out there, which of course I'm going to support my people. So I got a juice. It's like an elderberry juice, and then I got a ginger juice. It's fresh ginger, honey lemon, alkaline water, and then also I got a honey and soursop tea. It has honey, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, alkaline water. So I have this, and then also she sells like some aloe vera soap, and I got that as well. Let's see what that's going to do for my skin. Hopefully it works. But yeah, I'm off to a great start today. The air is filled with positivity.
You a real nigga in this picture, you been riding with a real nigga since day one. I need you to make some motherfucking noise. Yeah. I don't know, DJ Ace. I don't know, Snow. I think I like the left side. You like the left side? You want to start with the left side? I'm going to start with the left side. You want to start with the left side? Back to back. Rap nigga, wanna be a trap nigga. Club. Standing in the kitchen with my wife.
Oh.
This is all just pictures.
This is just for photo ops, right? Oh, they got like a place where you can like sit. Look at that.